Hi everyone, I'm Chris. In this video, we're going to see about the stock market for beginners. How, if let's say if I'm a beginner to the stock market, if I get a money, how I'll be investing in this stock market. First of all, before that, I would like to give my portfolio update, the quick review on my portfolio. Right? As you can see, this is my portfolio. This has consists of 14 stocks. Like I have different sectors and stocks containing the sectors which I know. Like first one is Asian Paints and HCL, Hindustan Unilever, ICICI, and Infosys, Jubilant and Fung ETF, Tech ETF, Pidilite and Gold ETF, Sun TV, TCS, Titan, and Varun Beverages. So now quickly we will see the how allocation I have given, and here you can see my assets allocation. Like I have given like 17% in Pidilite and Asian Paints, coming down to Varun Beverages, Hindustan Unilever, Titan, and Jubilant Foodwas, TCS, Infosys, and Sun TV little bit, and HCL little bit, and this one Fung ETF, and let's go on up to that gold ETF. And by coming to the sector wise allocation, you can see my sector. I have invested most of my money is large cap, that is 90, more than 90%. Before that I was investing like 93%. Now recently I bought a little bit of mid cap stock, that is Jubilant Foodworks. So mid cap has I have allocation of 7.27% and small cap 2%. While coming to sectoral allocation, FMCG consists of 31%, chemicals 18, and paints 17%, diamond approximately 15%, IT sector 8.5%, and restaurants I have Jubilant Foodworks, that is consists of 7.27%, and entertainment Sun TV 2%. Okay, this is all related to my portfolio, and my portfolio is doing very well. And as you can see, but clear view of my portfolios we can see in this Google Finance. And one of my portfolio's goals is to beat the Nifty 15 year index year over year consistently. So let's compare my portfolio with Nifty 50. So I'm down against the 50 by 1 day. For 5 day I'm up by 50, and in 1 month I'm down, and in 6 month also I'm down. Okay, this is 6 month. Still it should start from October 7th. That's why it's showing so much gap between my Nifty 50 index. Once it come to 6 month my portfolio holder, and let's see how my portfolio has been doing. Okay, now let's get into the topic, that is the stock market for beginners. How I will be investing if I am a beginner to the stock market. First of all, first rule I have kept in the stock market is like I will allocate the money which I am going to take the risk, my own money which I have, and I don't want to take from anybody else or loan debt, and I would be investing for other person. I don't do any such things in stock market, because this is the risk which I take in my personal money. Okay, first rule is that one. Second rule, what I will do is, before investing in stock market, I will do like what I did also in my own experience. I did 2 to 3 years of initial 1 year, 1.5 year to 2 year I did not invested. I only study the stock market, how it works, and every day I used to see what all things are doing, and in the stock market how the people will think. And I collected like lot of information in 1 year. So 1 year, and what then after what 1.5 year over, and what I did was in by the end of second year I invested in the stock market, that too in a little quantity. I would suggest, if you have 100 rupees, not 100 rupees, if you have like 10,000 rupees, I would suggest, and I will also invest like only, if I am beginner I will invest only like little bit of my money, that too like 200 rupees per month. I started investing like that, and as a beginner I would invest only little amount in that, and now afterwards when it come to like if you have like 3 to 4 years experience, you can invest more and more as more money you have, you can according to your experience you can go and buy the stocks. And the third rule what I did was by allocation. No, see here, as you can see, I would be as a beginner. No, I would only invest more money in large cap stocks. The two these large cap stocks are like it should have a lot of mode, or it should be in the Nifty 50 index. So let's see by saying sorry. Nifty 50 index stocks and its weightage. Here when so I went in here, and as you can see that Reliance has some lot of contribution or infos this one. See I see, I was investing. I invested in this Infosys company, so I also have this Infosys company, and which is in Nifty 50 index. So to limit my risk, I was only investing in the good companies which are in Nifty 50. TCS was in the Nifty 50. Hindustan Unilever is Nifty 50. It's also in my portfolio, and Asian Paints is there. My portfolio HCL Technology is there. Then coming to Titan is there, and coming down, let's see which stocks I hold which are in Nifty 50 index. Then coming down. So I think I think like 4 to 5 stocks which I hold is there are in the Nifty 50 index, and other four I hold like 4 ETFs which are like first one is different allocation by geography, and like Fung ETF is related to US tech stocks, and Hang Seng ETF is equal to Hong Kong tech stocks, and this is silver ETF and this is gold ETF. Except that stocks which I hold are like you can see the Asian Paints in Nifty 50, HUL Hindustan is in Infosys in Nifty 50, and this is Jubilant Foodworks. So why I do it? Because it has a moat and it is a good company. Pidilite also have moat and it is good company. Sun TV, okay, Sun TV. It is one of the boring stock, but I also hold because it makes a lot of profits, and company is doing very well. That's why I am bought. It also it also didn't have a lot of growth, but I am holding this company. Let's see how it is. One of my Dabi stock this is, and Varun Beverages, that is in consumer category very best stocks which I hold, like it manufacture and distribution of Pepsi. So allocating the second rule is allocating in large caps, and by coming to the third rule, what I will sorry fourth first rule is like getting educated up to 1 or 2 years before investing. Second rule is investing very low capital, and third one is allocating my large of the capital into large cap and more to Nifty 50 index stocks. So then fourth rule what I will do is I will be investing in the companies which are like very low risky. I don't want to take more risk, because now in stock market, if you want to if I want to make the money in the stock market, what is the best thing to is protect your money, so it will automatically give you an more return on investments. This is what I learned in these all things in the stock market from past couple of years. So fifth rule which I would do in this stock market is while investing. Fifth fifth rule fifth rule is I should have an patience, like I don't want to sell automate on sell in I will buy a stock in today and after in tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't want to sell the stock in like that. I want to invest in the company which have a lot of moat, and what I want to do is like I will keep in certain criteria for buying this company. In Asian Paints, no, why I'm buying Asian Paints, because it has a market leader, and it is paint quality is very good, and its distribution is very good in Asian Paints. So I'm buying. If those criteria are discarded in this in this company, so at that time I will sell this stock. Until then I won't sell this stock. That's what the fifth rule I kept. And sixth rule I want to mention is like I don't want to take a lot of risk while beginning investing, so I don't buy the stocks like this yes banks, like small penny stocks. I don't want to buy this type of companies, because if I buy here also in 20 rupees, if something happen low, suddenly it will go back to 2 to 3 rupees also sometimes. That's why it's very high risky. And seventh rule, what I want to do is like I don't buy the companies which have like market cap of less than 100 billion rupees, because no, if let's say I will go to this company, yeah, it has like 2.42 billions. What happened, like something bad happening in this company, and if I don't even get to know what the news is happening in this company, or I cannot get any news from this company. So I don't want to take such a risk in this company. So that what I would like to do. Don't invest in penny stocks. I don't do the while investing. And the eighth rule I want to tell you is that is allocate a limited amount of capital to every week, by invest every week by week. And like if you want, if you have a lot of rupee money with you, and don't invest it at one time. Take some time, divide invest week by week, so it won't be like one day. If you are invested in like let's say if you got some more money, and if you had have invested in here March 19, so it will go up, and you sometime we won't sell the stock here, we won't get to know. So after that we will wait, let it will come to here, and we thought like it will go up, but we don't sell there because we were in loss there. And then afterwards it will come down. Unfortunately it will come down here, and we would have, if I understood here, I would be sitting like with a loss of 20% here. So that's why what I will do, like divide my money equally and invest week by week. So it's a good idea. Dollar cost, we say that is a dollar cost of magic. So that's all for this episode, and thank you for watching. If you want to tell anything, you can write out it in the comment box. Okay, thank you.